Zoeshaaa.
Hey guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this is a different start to my videos, but I'm getting ready for vacation, and in the midst of packing, I was like, why don't I just do a quick little try on haul? Because I'm trying on my clothes right now anyways to see how everything fits and if I like how everything looks. So I just figured I'd record it, show you guys some of my outfits that I plan to wear on my next trip. And yeah, so let's just jump on right into it. I got some clothes from a few different stores. I also got gifted one outfit. So I'm just trying on everything to see, as I said, how I like everything, to see what else I need, and all of that kind of good stuff. So let's just get on right into the haul. Okay, so this is the first outfit. It's just this dress that I got from a store by the name of Blue Notes. Y'all, I'm losing weight, okay? Like, my nails need to do too. But like, girl, okay. But I love yellow. Those of you who don't know me, you're new to my channel. If you want to know something about me, my favorite color is yellow. It is just like me. It's bright, it's vibrant, it's loud. It's, you know, when you see the sun, you're happy. It's me. When you think of me, you're like, oh my God, I'm so happy. But anyways, I really like this dress. I love off the shoulder, and I love like suck on, bodycon type. Not too suck on, but like suck on still when I can't breathe and stuff like that. So I don't have on a brassiere. I will put one on in the midst time. You know, you just lift them up. And that's one good thing about being a part of the Itty Bitty Titty community crew. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I really like this dress. Yes. Talk to me. Like, hello. Like, do you see like the inches coming up? You know what I'm saying? Coming up. Yes, booty tats, nice. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this outfit. This is my like going down. I was planning on wearing this outfit to like travel. It's really easy to like, it's nothing too tight where if I'm off a bend down, like there's no difficulty or anything like that. Yeah, it's just an easy breeze through the airport type thing. I do go down on an early flight, so you know, you kind of gotta look cute for in a day. And I was planning on wearing it with these slippers. Yeah, so yes, when goodies walking through the airport, talking to my eyes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's the first one. This is another outfit, just numero 2. This is also from Blue Notes. You know, bright yellow is just like, I don't know, but I love anything with yellow in it, you know, bright colors. Like, yes, I'm about to look at it. But yeah, so this is another, you know, judging, go on the road type dress. Yeah. And yeah, I think both of these dresses were $5. I do believe both of them were $5. And again, they're from a store called Blue Notes, which is located here in Canada, but I believe you guys can shop there online if you're interested. But yeah, I really like this. You know, I like this dress. Comment down below, let me know, should I go on vacation with me or not? And y'all don't mind my hair either. It's almost bedtime. And yeah, my hair is not getting done for like another week or so. Yes, I like it. All right guys, here is another outfit. This is just a one-piece romper. I loved it because of, yo, everything I have yellow and I just I realized. But yeah, I liked it for the little stripe that it had going down the side. I want to say I bought this from a store named Sirens. I think it was $10. And yeah, I love rompers. Like I'm a romper 2-piece type person. Like I love rompers. I hate them when I have to go pee, but I love rompers. Shorts, pants, whatever it may be, love them. A lot of times the pants ones don't fit me properly because I have really long legs but a short torso. So like if I have to bring the crotch come all the way like up, the pants part will be too short, and then if I leave the pants part at the right length, then here is like, you know, so I like the spandex ones, whereas the foot I can bring up and it won't really look away, rather than like the other kind of material where like it's flared out or whatever, or the ones that don't stretch, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, for anybody with like my type of body, that's a little tip. I don't really buy those ones. And then for like these type of things, like I really kind of have to try them on if it is the other type of material before I can buy it. But I like this. This I can also dash on and just go do road. So yeah, I really like this. Alright, so this next outfit is like, I can't wait to wear this. I have no idea where I'm gonna wear it to though, but obviously not just to like wear like on the road. More than likely to go out, but where to, I don't know. And then with this outfit now, okay, first of all, the pants, oh my gosh, I absolutely love. I was so indecisive between this one and another pattern, but Sade and them, let me not say them, maybe I just added them before them come on the video and cuss me. Sade, Sammy, and Sandy told me to get this one, and I'm not mad. Like I love the little hints of purple, and like I don't know what's going on, but like I feel like these type of prints are in now for both male and female. Yeah, so I went with this one with the little hints of purple and like the goldish vibe to it, you know what I'm saying? And then they had so many different types of tops, because I have the top that actually like, I have one of the tops that go with it. There was another like other different styles with the same print, but I'd seen this one for $5 and I was like, let me get this one. And then I got this bodysuit. It's a bodysuit. Yeah. I think it was like $12 or something. But I liked it because it was just, I like this lilac kind of color, lavender type color. So I thought this was really cute, and I love bodysuits as well. But yeah, I really like it. This is high-waisted pants. You know, when it just sucks you all in and stuff like that. But like, I really like it. This is Bae's favorite outfit. So I don't know exactly where to. I'm gonna get to wear this outfit, honey, but I'm gonna wear it. And now, but the only thing that I'm indecisive about is, am I gonna wear it 2 times? So I can't wear this shirt with it 1 time and then also wear this with it 1 time. Or do I just pick one and just wear one on my vacation and then wear the other one somewhere else? But I like me just feel slim and trim and sexy in this, man. Like, I hope when I post these pictures on Instagram, y'all like them too. Still same way, even though y'all seen the clothes in the video, y'all still be liking my Instagram pictures and stuff like that, because you know I'm gonna be cuter. Okay. But let me try it on with the other and show you guys. Be right back. Okay, so this is it with the matching top. And I just feel like it's too much, you know what I'm saying? Like it's too much, but who knows, we'll see. It's all right, but I really do like the plain bodysuit, the plain purple bodysuit with the pants, rather than all of this something here. So I don't know, but comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Should I wear this or the other one to wear? Let me know. I have a couple more things, but I'm gonna try on 2 more. I'm gonna try on 2 more outfits because I really gotta pack. And then, yeah, I think, yeah, be right back. All right, wanna listen, wanna call me highlights, all sorts of things, brighten up your life. I absolutely love the color of this dress. Okay? Okay? I know some fat on can probably see a little bit on my belly button or whatever, but I don't care. Nobody can talk to me when I put this on. I'm gonna wear it for my vacation. Okay? Okay, like I told you guys, bright colors. That's me. Like, I don't know, like I love brightness, and neon is like back in style or whatever. So everything is literally shocking vibes, but I love everything about this dress. Like everything about this dress, like I just love it. I don't look like I have a bum in it, but that's okay. When I put on the right panty, everything will be fine. But yeah, I really like this dress. I really like this frock. I have a yellow boot and I have the bag with the right colors in it and everything. Ooh. I'll buy my heels, people. I'm buying heels. I'm buying heels. Hello, who can talk to me? Like, the heel is very low, but the fact is that I buy a heels. I feel like a girl again. Like, it feels so weird not being able to wear heels. Like, I don't feel feminine, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. I don't feel like my normal self. What the fuck? Where you come from? Move. That's what happens when you open your window. Anyhow, so yeah, this is already taken. Like, this outfit is taken. Well, this girl is taken too, but this outfit is already taken. I know exactly where I'm gonna wear it to. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for the vlogs and see exactly where I wear this outfit to. That purple outfit there, I think no, I know exactly where I'm gonna wear it to. And yeah. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna try my last outfit, which was the now this stupid. When I knew I was going on vacation, this was the first thing that I bought, and like this just set the mood for everything. Like everything was just bright after this, cause yeah, I was just like, you know. So obviously it's a two-piece. It's that spandex material. It's like the biker shorts. You know, the funny thing is, when I was growing up, I had these type of shorts in literally every color, every kind of print you can think of. My mom used to work for a company called Kmart and Byway, and literally, oh my gosh, and Zellers. And literally, if you're from Canada, you would know Kmart was in America, yes. If you're if you're from Canada, you will know about Zellers and Byway. So yeah, I had these, and people used to make fun of me. And it's so funny how fashion comes back around and like everybody's going crazy over it. I really honestly wish I had saved all of my clothes, because girl, okay. But anyways, absolutely love it. As I said, two pieces and rompers are my faves. I love it. It's comfortable. The color is bright. Like, yeah, it's high-waisted, so it hides all of my problem areas. And yeah, I think for the two pieces, it came up to about $15, which is not bad at all. And yeah, this is not the panty I'm gonna be wearing, you guys. As I said, I just done beard and I'm getting ready for my bed. And I was trying on my clothes before I packed everything. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about my outfits for vacation. I'm super excited. Yeah, so just stay tuned for the vlogs to know exactly what I'm gonna be doing on vacation. I only really vacated one place, so y'all must be knowing where I'm going. Yeah, and I think this will be the last video that you guys see. More than likely, this will be the last video you guys see before my vacation stuff, if I don't record something else and put it up before my vacation vlogs. But yeah, so you guys can look out for that. within the coming weeks. Sorry for being, you know, MIA and stuff like that, but a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. I've been working super hard and I just have a lot of work and stuff like that. So it's not that I'm trying to neglect you guys on purpose. There's just a lot of stuff that's going on behind the scenes that I'm trying to take care of. And yeah, so until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed my little try on haul and my cute little pieces that I showed you guys. I still need a few more things. And yeah, but until next time, bye. Thank you guys for watching.